In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make viral UGC with Nano Banana Pro. We'll start simple and move quickly. Open your browser and head to Google. This ensures you're starting from a familiar place and can easily find the official tool. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and hit enter. You're looking for the official Gemini website from Google. Click through to the Gemini app so you're in the right workspace for image generation. Once you're inside the app, look for the Create Image button. Click it. That button is what activates Nano Banana Pro behind the scenes, so you can generate realistic UGC-style visuals with minimal setup. You'll see a prompt field appear. That's where the magic happens, because your words guide the model's style, lighting, framing, and level of realism. Enter this prompt exactly as written. A natural-looking female UGC creator filming lifestyle content. Soft, flattering window light. Close-up portrait with realistic high-resolution skin texture. Each phrase is doing work. Natural-looking steers away from over-polished results. UGC creator filming lifestyle content anchors the vibe to handheld, authentic, creator-led media. Soft, flattering window light gives you that glowy, believable illumination. And close-up portrait with realistic, high-resolution skin texture directs the model to render pores, fine lines, and lifelike detail that audiences subconsciously associate with real footage. Avoid naming real people or brands. Stick to general descriptors for the safest, broadest results. Click Submit and let the model process your request. This usually takes just a moment. When your image appears, you're ready to save it. Use the download option provided in the interface to grab a high-resolution file. Keep your file names clear so you can find them later, especially if you plan to test multiple variations. Now, zoom into the image. This is where you evaluate whether it delivers that viral-ready authenticity. Look closely at the skin's texture. You should see pores, subtle fine lines, and a gentle fall-off in the highlights from the window light. That micro detail prevents the plastic, overly airbrushed look that can turn viewers off. If the texture looks too smooth, remember that wording like realistic, natural skin texture, and subtle imperfections strengthens the signal in your prompt. That's it. You've just used Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini to generate a believable UGC-style portrait designed to stop the scroll. Use this image as a thumbnail, a storyboard reference, or a visual hook in your content tests. Keep prompts clear, stay consistent with your brand's tone, and always label AI-generated media responsibly when required by your platform.